It is. You've been making money first. Don't make it fist.
So, do you want to come inside? Want to come inside?
You know what? This is the best day of your life, and I'm just gonna let you continue to have it.
Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
What?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it, Picasso.
And record their reaction.
Fluffy dog.